Good morning, beauty queens and beauty kings. Good morning, transformers. Here we start with a little bit of stretching or dancing to, the new Beyonce song. Quickly here, okay? I told you guys I like to dance. Whatever I gotta do to keep me motivated and make me happy, I do it, okay? So I'm doing, this is a combination. There's some stretching, some body conditioning, some core workout, a little bit of Pilates moves, some dancing, as we take breaks in between, you know, exercises. I dance a little bit to hype myself up to continue because it hurts, okay? But this is mainly an upper body for me, but it's mixed, but I was trying to focus more on moving my arms. So let's see, and then getting some core workout in. But a lot of these moves are compounds. They're just a mix, a combination of all your body parts, but mostly it's my arms I was trying to move, okay? And it wasn't easy, okay? So again, always consult your fitness coach or nutrition coach, okay? But here I just share my journey, and watching me, you know, perform these exercises is a mindset shift opportunity here because it keeps me motivated. It shows me my progress. It helps you. And I like that domino effect. And as I watch myself perform these exercises, I see my growth, and nothing could be more empowering. So, especially when you start your day with your workout, there are no excuses. So, I always think that incorporating your workout in the morning is better. So, I always wake up early by 5 a.m., get the kids ready, get the home ready, and your partner take time to give attention to your partner. Once that's all set, get your to-do list done. I have a digital planner if you want to purchase mine, and go ahead and plan your day and then head to the gym. That's usually what I do. And also, I also reconcile my finances. I talked to you guys about my own track journey to becoming a millionaire by 50. I want to incorporate more content on that as well. So it'll be coming, nothing intrusive, but just to empower people to think more of themselves in terms of finances. It's very, very important. You get your mind right, get your health right, become fit, and once you can get those things all working, it's like a domino effect, and your money is right. And we all know the world revolves around money, right, guys? And also, this ab roller right here, guys, I'm starting back with it. It's still hard for me. So here I'm just conditioning my body to get used to it before I can go lower. Again, take things slowly, listen to your body, and you will gradually get to it. Because I don't want people to say, oh, she's not doing it right. I'm conditioning my body. It's my first time doing it since having my daughter. So yeah, so just be kind, all right? So like I was saying, we're going to talk about money as well, because that's also one of my most important topics that I focus on daily. And here I'm just showing you what I had for breakfast. I love this case right here. It's so multi-purpose. You can store cans in it. You can store your eggs in it, whatever the case may be. I like my, in French, they call it pain perdu, or the French toast recipe. And I use my bread from Trader Joe's, but you can use the one from your local grocery store. You could add sugar to it. I usually add agave, or you can even add regular sugar, brown sugar, whatever it is. Just a little bit, okay? Just whatever works for you. I usually love doing this because it's protein heavy, and you can add your protein powder as well. So that's why I like to do that, and it's so good because I could do a lot of it and portion it out throughout the week. I think meal prepping is so important, and if you do that, you will see how much weight you lose, and it's just chef's kiss, okay? So yeah, I'm just showing you quickly the process. I have all my recipes. Everything is on my blog, guys. Just go in, type it in the search bar. You should see it. And if it's not up yet, that means it's coming. But most of the things that I share, details are always on my blog if you want to follow along. Again, this was a quick early morning routine, upper body slash, you know, whatever you want to call it, combination of everything, if you will, workout. And yeah, I hope you guys totally enjoy it. And here I'm just showing you my mocha protein coffee recipe. Oh my god. It's also, I mean, I'm just showing you the coffee, but the recipe's on my blog. And I did a quick Ulta haul because they're having this new thing called the semi-annual event. So I just restocked on my faves as always. And then I bought the new NYX mascara brow gel, and NYX has some gems, man. It's just amazing. And I wanted to try this Estee Lauder serum. Everybody talked about it. They also had the Clarins one, but I didn't get to it because I felt like I don't need both for now, but I'll get it next time. And I got the new NYX concealer, which is so nice. And that was it, guys. Ciao.